So right now, just as a test because we're curious, we were doing a blower door test on this room. So it's basically about 27 to 30 feet wide. It's 16 feet tall inside, and it goes back 40 feet, I believe it was, to the rear, or 47 feet. I can't remember what it was, as you can see. When we did the first blower door test, we had a B4 count of clips, so only these were open, and that's what it took to make this room on its initial test. But now we were all the way down to a B1, and it still was not small enough. So we have a new one coming for passive house that's 74 millimeters. Yes, 74 millimeters. And thank you, Sam. And right now we're just curious. So we know it's not going to be exact, but I think this was, what was this, Tommy? 110 or 102 millimeter? What was it? Let's see. Close enough for government work. 120, 26, 102. And so Tommy's making 74 millimeters because, of course, it's not perfect, little rough edges. But basically it's this with a 74 millimeter hole drilled out in it. And then we're going to retest this room. Ugh. As you can see, it's full right now. And you see all that caulking down on the floor, up the walls and everything, that caulking right there. So we caulked the whole interior of the floor going all the way around. They did not seal this. They paid, you know, what, $50,000 or so to have this room put up. And they did not properly seal it when they installed it. Same goes for up above, where all the light electrical penetrations came down. The electricians drilled holes and then put half-inch conduit going through a larger hole, and the hole of the wiring going through was leaking, and the hole around the conduit, because the conduit's in the center, was leaking. So I ran around with spray foam. It was like 65 to 68 penetrations, and I foamed them all up and then ran, and now we're down to passive house levels. Come back after this test and we'll do a video.